Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Self-Round-2 Assignment 6, and today I'm going to discuss about the following two questions. Can two game objects with only a sphere collider both set as triggers raise on-trigger events? Explain your answer. And second is, explain what a serialized field is and what is its use case. So coming to the first question, can two game objects with only a sphere collider both set as triggers raise on-trigger events? The answer to this question is no, they cannot raise on-trigger events. So to raise an on-trigger event, at least one of the game object must have a rigid body component attached to it so that it can collide with other game object and detect the collisions. And after one of the game object has a rigid body component attached to it, then both of the rigid body both of the game objects can raise on trigger events. Second is, what is serialized field and what is its use case? So serialized field attribute is used to expose a private field or a variable in Unity Inspector. By making the field with this attribute, it allows the field's value to be serialized and shown in Inspector, even if it is private. So serialized field attribute is useful when you want to expose certain fields or variables for configuring within the Unity editor while keeping them private or hidden from the other scripts. So it provides a convenient way to control and modify the values of those fields without need to make them public. That's all. Thank you.